Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good morning to my lecturer and my fellow friends. My name is NORAISYAH ATIQAH binti Mama ROSLI and my matrix number is 09DUP20F1008, and today I will be presenting about my product. So, my product are inspired by the mosquito repellent band that already been sold in the market. The problem that I can see from the product that already been sold are they only have one function or purpose, and it is for one-time use, as it cannot be recharged. The design are also old-fashioned and out of date. With the bright and radiant color, it will definitely catch people's eyes on your wrist, and people will easily know that you are wearing mosquito repellent bands. Some of the mosquito repellent bands also are not waterproof as it can absorb water. Most of the mosquito repellent bands that absorb water are made from repellent fabrics. As the fabric can absorb water, the band will definitely be damp and it can cause discomfort to someone who's wearing it. So my product will definitely solve all of the problems that I have stated. Here, the sketch of my smart mosquito repellent band. Next is the function of smart mosquito repellent bands. It is to keep away mosquito, thereby preventing them from biting human and feeding on human blood. It also be able to show your exact position on the earth anytime, in any weather and anywhere. It will help someone to find you if you ever get lost. Yeah, most of us are having smartphone, but not all of us turn on the GPS function on our phone as it will decrease the battery percentage. Therefore, this smart mosquito repellent will help you to detect your current position even without the internet. As the band can be charged and cannot be thrown away, after only one-time use, this will help in reducing trash, and this is also the act of loving our earth. This definitely shows that our smart mosquito repellent bands are environmentally friendly. It also can be seen as fashion item instead of typical mosquito repellent, as the design and the material are made from the best. Next is the characteristic of my smart mosquito repellent bands. The size are adjustable with the thickness of 3 mm and length of 12.5 cm. The height will be 1.3 cm with the weight of 32 grams. The types of this bracelet will be cuff bracelet, and the material will be made from waterproof and stainless steel. The color options for this band are rose gold with royal blue and rose gold with soft pink. The material that used to make the smart mosquito repellent bands are waterproof material and stainless steel. As I told you before, it is made from stainless steel with the color of rose gold. It is not made from gold, so men can wear it without worry. The design for these smart mosquito repellent bands are definitely edgy, fashionable, and high class. So, unlike the typical mosquito repellent, this smart mosquito repellent is fancier as the design and the material which make it look like jewelry. Other than that, the smart mosquito repellent bands use the newest technology compared to the old mosquito repellent that has been released to the world. It also has longer duration of use than the other mosquito repellent as it can be charged. Even though the typical mosquito repellent have good repellent function, but smart mosquito repellent is better than the typical mosquito repellent. The added feature on the smart mosquito repellent bands are micro GPS tracking chip, ultrasonic insect repellent, mini LCD, rechargeable battery, and charging spot. So, how each component connect to each other? The answer is they will connect to each other by soldering technique and welding technique. As for micro GPS tracking chip, ultrasonic insect repellent, mini LCD, charging spot, and rechargeable battery are connected by soldering it on a circuit board. Meanwhile, the outer bracelet and the circuit board will be connected by welding technique. As you can see, the smart mosquito repellent bands are mostly made from electrical components. Therefore, we need to solder it together to connect to each other. The last about my smart mosquito repellent band. All the electronic components are placed inside the stainless steel on the circuit board, and at the topmost component on the circuit board will be micro GPS tracking chip. Meanwhile, at the bottom there will be charging port and the rechargeable battery. The mini LCD will be on the center of the board, and in between the mini LCD and GPS tracking chip there will be ultrasonic insect repellent. The mini LCD will be on the center of the board, as I want the person who wearing it will be able to see the battery percentage easily. And the charging port at the bottom will make it a lot easier to charge and cannot easily be seen. All the electric components are placed inside the stainless steel on the circuit board to protect it from water, as electronic components are sensitive. Ultrasonic insect repellents are an electronic pest control device that emit a high-pitched sound at a frequency that may cause discomfort to kill or drive away an insect. Therefore, most humans will not be able to hear the sounds. That's all from me. Thank you for listening to me today. I'm sorry if I missed out any information that you were expecting. Thank you once again.